Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes Izindaba Zabantu, this is definitely the channel for you. Guys, we all know of the accident that took place at Vanderbilt Bay Park. School children were going to school, really transport yabo, and then it crashed with e-truck, right? So there is a footage, guys, from the truck driver's side. Now, there is a footage that shows in negligence from the transport driver. It shows complete negligence, guys. The person was overtaking. So as he was overtaking a school transport driver, as he was overtaking a truck was in the correct lane, guys. And let's not get that twisted, because I see there's a lot of people who are saying, but no, the truck driver needs to be arrested. The truck driver uyenzeni because he was in the correct lane. The person that was in the wrong lane is the one that was overtaking, ne? And even though guy uzakanje, the transport driver and the truck driver was this side, uyayibona i-truck iyavela. But what did he do? Instead of going to the correct lane, because there was a CI and taxi, they tried to open space for him. But no, let's just give him space so that he can come this side, so that a truck can continue and just pass. But guy did not. They opened space for him. He did not bother to even go to that space. And then also there was a space ngapha, because he was in the wrong lane. He could have just went the side, aphume completely on the road, but he also didn't do that. Yeah, Nanje, what he chose to do is to just duck and dive. Wayenzani wafika ngabantwana. As he turned like this, the truck just crashed nje kubantwana. Yena, he was safe because he protected his side. And then people are saying, no, hey, the truck driver needs to be arrested. He saw the taxi from a distance. I'm in my correct lane. You are in the wrong lane. What must happen? Like, I don't know how some people think. So the school transport driver went to hospital, and then he was released from the hospital, went to jail, ne? And then now he was in court. They denied him bail, and then he was charged with a murder, 14 counts of murder. That's what he was charged with. He is only 22, guys, only 22. His name is Ayanda Dludla. He is only 22. This guy was driving drunk. People are still in the spirit of December, January. This guy was drunk as he was driving, and he had expired papers. Like, kuningi nje, kuningi. And it is murder because sana 14 lives claimed. And right, he is just using his feet to walk. He looks completely normal. You can't even tell what he was in an accident. Right, okay, he decided to just protect himself and just turn the taxi like this. The taxi just crashed abantwana babantu. Like kuningi sana. So guy was denied bail. I don't know how many years. We are still going to be following the case to see what is going to happen, because imagine, and some of those kids were doing grade 1. You are excited to start school, all of a sudden your dream is crushed. Some of these kids were doing grade 12. You are excited about the future. You've even like started imagining yourself after school. After finishing my matric, I want to do this, I want to be this. Your dream is crushed. And there's also a lady who lost 2 of her children in that accident. Like kuningi, it's really, really a lot. So I just hope they do the right thing, just to set an example, because Sana, we can't be accepting these kinds of behaviors. We cannot. And then people claim accident. Hey. So yes, guys, Ukai was denied a bail. We are still going to be following the case, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.